In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to convert your Figma design into Elementor. Now we are going to do three things. We are going to install a Figma plugin, and then we go ahead and then download our design or the file over here in Figma, and then we go to our WordPress website, and then what we will do is we will make sure that we have Elementor installed, and then we will upload or import the Figma file that we downloaded into our WordPress, and that is what we are going to do over here. Hello guys, my name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. If you are new over here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that we grow together. Now let's get into the video. Now guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to install the plugin. So we're going to go over to Figma over here. So we're going to go to this particular icon over here, scroll down to plugins, and then come down to manage plugins. Now we're going to search for a plugin called UI Chemie. So just search for this particular plugin and then just click on it or click on run. So we're going to click on run. Now it will be what? It will be running for us. We have to wait for it to do its own thing and load for us. Alright guys, so this is the plugin that we're going to talk about. We're going to use to convert. Okay, so as you can see, it says welcome to UI Chemie, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on let's start. Now it says we should use our serial key to activate it, but we don't have a serial key. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on get your free key over here. So we're going to click on this one. Alright guys, so it will tell you to either continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or you click here to create an account. Now I'm going to continue with Google over here, so I'm going to click on continue with Google. Alright guys, so I'm going to use my Google account to log in, so I'm going to click on this one for it to log in or sign in for me. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and then click on free download over here. So I'm going to click on free download. Now wait for it to process for me. Okay, so guys, my purchase is completed, as you can see over here, and this is my license key over here. So I can copy this key from here, go back to Figma over here, and then process from there. So I'm going to put my license key over here and then click on activate to activate the license key. So guys, as you can see, at the moment the license key activated, it has selected the Figma design that we have on the website over here. So all what you need to do is to make sure that you select the whole design over here. So this is my design. Now before you go ahead to even convert your design, okay, make sure that you did your design using auto layout. Okay, make sure that you did your design using auto layout. Now if you don't know what auto layout is, make sure that you find out what auto layout is, and then make sure that you used auto layout in designing most of your or all your design. Otherwise, if you download it, you won't get anything in your Elementor design. Okay, so that is it. Make sure that everything is in auto layout. So as you can see, all the design is in auto layout. So from the the main frame, from the main frame to every section of the design was designed using auto layout. Okay, so the hero section was designed using auto layout. So as you can see, this is what auto layout. So convert all your designs into auto layout before you can even go ahead to even run your UI Chemie. Okay, so I'm going to just do it again. Go after activating my license key. I'm just going to go ahead and then run it again so that I can be able to download what I need to do. So our next step is to download our Figma file. Okay, so what we are going to do is I'm going to click over here again, go to plugins, and then this time around I have UI Chemie over here, so I'm going to just click on it to select it. And as you can see, this is the design that I'm going to download. Okay, so you can decide to download any part of it, but I'm going to download the whole design. Okay, that is why I've selected the whole design over here. So I'm going to click on convert to Elementor. And then as you can see, there are some things you need to note. So I have designed maximum in auto layout for responsiveness. I have removed unused frames for better performance. I have used Figma guidelines and tips and tricks. Is your WordPress site ready? Yes, my WordPress site is ready. I have installed and activated Elementor. I have enabled Flexbox container widget for Elementor. I have sufficient PHP execution time value set for images to import, and then I am aware of troubleshooting guide. So make sure that you set up your WordPress website. So as you can see over here, I've already set up my WordPress website. I've activated Flexbox containers. Okay, so make sure that you set up let me go over here. Make sure that you set up your Flexbox containers. Also make sure you activate it, and then after everything is done, click on this particular one over here, check it, and then click on convert to Elementor. All right guys, so this is it does. Your design has been converted successfully for Elementor. Now we can download the JSON file. Okay, so we're going to download the file. So we are downloading the file. So as you can see, the file has been downloaded successfully over here, and then we can go ahead and import it in our Elementor website. So our third stage is to upload or import our file into Elementor. So to be able to do that, go to Elementor page. Now this is what Elementor, I've set up Elementor canvas for it. I don't want header footer because I already have my header footer over here. Now note that I want you to, UI Kemi is in beta version, meaning that maybe not everything will really work, or depending on your design and what you did, certain things will not really work for you. So but then at least you get most of your design over there. So if it doesn't come really well for you, do not complain too much. It is hard to come by, a plugin for Elementor and then WordPress to convert from Figma to WordPress. But this plugin, I know Figma is also there, but this plugin also does what Figma will also do for you. So let's go over here and then click on this file over here, and then make sure that you move to my template. Okay, so just click on my template over here. All right guys, so now that we are over here, we don't have any template over here, but we want to import our template that we downloaded. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on this top arrow icon over here. Just click on it, and then it will tell you that import template to your library. Now we're going to click on select file, and then we're going to locate the file that we downloaded. So as you can see, this is the file that we downloaded. Let's click on it and click on open. Now if you get any prompt that you have to enable unfiltered files, make sure that you enable it, okay, so that you can be able to go ahead and then continue with your import. All right guys, so this is the template that we imported. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on this insert over here. So just click on this insert over here, and then let's go ahead and insert it. All right guys, so after importing it, this is how it looks like over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just update it over here, and then go straight and then view how it looks like on the front end. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to right click and view the page on the front end, and I see how it looks like on the front end. All right guys, so this is how it looks like on the front end. I think there are more things which we have to do about this particular page over here. So as you can see, a lot of things did not really come out the way I wanted it, but since we are using Elementor and everything is in Flexbox, we can be able to try, and then this place came out nicely, beautifully done. I think maybe I did not really design it well, that is why maybe this place also came in nicely, but this place did not. This I don't know whether the size that I chose made it that way, but then I think I need to just do some small fixing about it in Elementor. And as you can see, this place came in a horizontal line instead of how we had it. Let me go over here and then see how it looks like. This is like this. Okay, so if you zoom, let me zoom in and see. If you zoom in, you realize that the portfolio section, instead of vertical and horizontal, it came in a 2-column. It came in just 1 column vertical. Okay, so horizontal. So I think it needs to be fixed. Also, that place also needs to be fixed. And then this place also, I think it's going to this. It pushes to this side, meaning that this thing is too big. Okay, and this also became too big for us. And then the footer, the color also changed. The color changed. The same applies to this place. The color also did not come out the way I wanted it. But since you are using Elementor, you can be able to fix it the way you want it. So if I want to change the color over here, I just click over here, and then all what I will do is I'll go back to style over here, and then, you know, change from the blue color to white, and then that will be good. I just need to position this once, make sure that I position it in a way that I really want it. Okay, so I should check, you know, I think it's using some CSS classes and other stuff to be able to check out the width and all those kind of stuff. But you can go ahead and remove it and then do whatever thing that you want to do about it. So guys, this is how you can be able to convert from Elementor to from Figma to Elementor. Okay, so if this tool will be able to help you, please let me know your comment in the description over there. Let me know how you feel about this particular UI Chemi tool. Now note that this UI Chemi tool is in beta version, meaning that there are certain things that will not appear the way you really want it. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. Thank you.